Right. The value of a mobile phone T months after it was bought is modelled by V equals A times B to the power T, where A and B are constants. Figure 2 shows the linear relationship between log to base 10 of V and T. The line passes through two given points. Find the initial value of the phone. Right, okay, so number 11, part A. The initial value of the phone. Well, the initial value is when T equals 0. And when T equals 0, V will be equal to A times B to the power of 0, which will be A times 1, which is just A. So when T equals 0, V equals A. Now we know that when T equals 0, from the graph we can see that when T is 0, log to base 10 of V is equal to 3. This axis, of course, is the log axis, log of V. It's not V itself. So therefore, 10 to the power of 3 is V. So V is equal to 10 to the power of 3, which is £1,000. So the phone costs £1,000 to start. Part B. Find a complete equation for V in terms of T, giving the exact value of A and giving the value of B to three significant figures. Well, we know what A is, it's 1,000. So we have this, we have V equals 1,000 times B to the power of T. Now, since this is a graph of log to base 10 of V against T, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take logarithms on both sides here. I'm going to write this as log to base 10 of V equals log to base 10 of 1,000 times B to the power of T. Now, using the rules of logarithms, we can now write this as equal to log to base 10 of 1,000, which of course is 3, plus log to base 10 of b raised to the power of t. And that in turn is equal to, well, I'll put the 3 down now, 3 plus t times log to base 10 of b. So we have this equation then, log to base 10 of v equals this. Now what I'm going to do, I know that when t is 10, log to base 10 of v is 2.79. So this is 2.79 equals 3 plus 10 times log to base 10 of b. So that means 2.79 take away 3 is minus 0.21, minus 0.21 equals, well, I can divide that by 10, can't I? Is equal to log to base 10 of b. So let me just write that out the other way round. So it's log to base 10 of b equals minus 0.021. So therefore 10 to the power of this is equal to b. So therefore 10 to the power of minus 0.021 equals b, which is equal to, the calculator, so it's 10 raised to the power of minus 0.021 gives me 0.953. 0.953. So the equation is going to be V equals A, which is 1,000, times B, which is 0.953, 953 to the power of t. Is that what they mean by a complete equation? Anyway, let's carry on. Exactly 2 years after it was bought, the value of the phone was £320. Right, use this information to evaluate the reliability of the model. Okay, part C. Well, let's find out how much the equation tells us the phone should be worth. V equals 1,000 times 0.953, and it's 2 years, so that's 24 months, so T is 24. Let's work that out on the calculator. So it's 0.953 raised to the power of 24 times 1,000. £315 to the nearest pound. Well, yes, I would say in that case the model is reliable. Yes, the model is reliable because it's almost too good to be true. They said 320, didn't they? Yes, that's the end of the question.